Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tricks on POCO M8. Okay, so let's launch our camera app. It's this icon, and let's begin with the simple photo mode. In here we can quickly turn on the flashlight, and next to it we have the Google Lens scanner. Thanks to it we can quickly scan the QR codes. It's one of the best things because we don't need extra app for scanning the codes. Simply click on that icon and you'll be able to quickly scan the codes. That is really easy thing, and I'm sure it will handle it. If you click on this small arrow, you'll be able to see some settings. In here we can enable the HDR. I highly recommend turning it on for better quality. Next to it we can change the aspect ratio 1:1, 3:4, 9:16, and we also have the full. Okay, next to it we have the timer. We have 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. For now I will select 3 seconds, and when I click the shutter button it's going to count from 3 before the photo is taken. So it's pretty cool because let's say that you want to take a picture with your friends and you don't have an extra person who will take that photo. You can, for example, place your phone on a tripod, or you can somehow place it on the ground. You can select 10 seconds, you can tap the shutter button, then quickly get in front of the camera, position yourself with your friends, and you'll be able to take the photo. So that's a pretty cool thing. You can also add watermarks into your photos. In here we have the zoom levels 1 and 2, but of course we have higher zoom level and we need to do it manually. The maximum is 10x, as you take a look. Okay, next to it we have the filters that we can add before we take the photo, and we have the beautify function and this bar down below. Next to it we have the exposure level. That's how you can change it, or you can tap on the screen and now slide up or down to lower or to decrease the exposure level. Really easy. Next to it we have the video. We can change the resolution. The maximum is 4K. And the minimum is 720p. Okay, next to it we have the Ultra HD mode. In this mode we have the best camera quality, and the picture will look in the best way, but you need to be aware that in this mode we cannot zoom. It simply doesn't work. It's also called the 50 megapixel mode. If you want to have the best quality of the photos, you should use the Ultra HD. As we go to the right side we have the portrait mode also, and the Pro mode. In the Pro mode we can adjust the things such as exposure, the saturation, the ISO level, white balance, the autofocus, and that's basically all. If you want to reset the parameters, click on that icon and click on OK to reset everything. Okay, let's get back into the photo mode, and if you slide to the upside, we have the documents mode, slow motion, time lapse, and the panorama. You can also edit them and add them into this bar if you are interested. Press and hold an item to rearrange. Let me show you how the documents mode work. It's also one of my favorite things. Let's say that you have a document in front of you and you want to take a perfect picture of it. So you want on the picture you won't see any of remaining items on the table. To achieve that, use the documents mode. You can now see, let's say that this piece of rubber is our document. I need to position my camera. You can see that the edges has been, the color has been changed into orange. That means if I'll click the shutter icon right now, the rest of the table has been perfectly cut, and we have our document exactly in the middle. So it's really useful thing. You can see how it looks like. Pretty useful. Okay. When it comes to the slow motion, I'm sure that you know how this works. In the top right corner we can change the FPS. The maximum is 240, minimum is 120. Let's try to record a quick video using the slow motion mode. Okay. Now I will play it just to show you that it works. So that's the slow motion. Okay, we can close it up for now. And from here, let's go into our settings. Make sure that the picture quality is always selected on the high. You can enable or disable to mirror the front camera. Some people like that effect, that mirror effect. When you are taking a selfie, it's up to you. You can keep that enabled or you can turn it off. You can also change the shutter type. And we have features such as tap to take a photo, palm shutter, audio, and additional shutter. Let's enable everything. Okay, the first thing, tap to take a photo. Now, I don't need to press the shutter button to take a photo. All I need to do is to tap anywhere on the screen, basically. And as you could see, the photo also has been taken. Another thing is the palm shutter. Show your palm to the front camera to start the timer. And the photo has been successfully taken. Let's do it once again. Okay. And everything also worked. Another thing, open up the settings. The audio, say cheese to take a photo. And the additional shutter, drag the shutter button to create an additional floating shutter. That's also a pretty useful thing. So grab it, you can place it anywhere that you want. Now when I'll tap it, the photo also gets taken. That's how it works. Okay, now let's go into general, and we have the grid lines. That is also a pretty useful thing. We have a rule of thirds or the golden ratio. I'll select golden ratio. We have down below the center mark and the straighten mode. Let's select the center mark for now. Okay, now we have those grid lines. And thanks to them, we can position our camera in the proper way. Let's say that I want to make sure that this plant will be exactly in the middle of my photo, and thanks to the grid lines I can position it in the proper way and I can take the photo. We also have this small let's call it crosshair in the middle, so thanks to it we know where is the center of the screen, and thanks to that we can also position our camera in the proper way before taking a photo. Back into general, we can change the shutter sound from the list. We can preserve the settings. We have the camera modes. and also volume button functions. So now when I will tap one of the volume buttons, currently the timer will launch. We can use it for the shutter or to zoom it. Let's select the zoom for now. And now let's try to increase the zoom level by holding volume up. And as you take a look, everything is working properly. If I click volume down, I will zoom out simply. Really easy, but really comfortable. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.